Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the project management. We will understand how to become a successful project manager. And the first question which comes to the mind is which certification? Let's understand that. So friends, with you, this is Deepak Chavan. I'm a project manager. I've worked as a project director, I've worked as a PMO, and this session I'm sharing only for the knowledge sharing for all of you. And I hope that whatever I've learned that would help you accelerate in your career, I learned by mistake, you can avoid that mistakes. Simple. So why we need certification? First of all, certification gives us the global recognition. Okay. Number two, it helps us understand the language of project manager. Okay. And number three, certifications are globally recognized in all industries. So these are the three key principles why one should do certification, and it will help us in accelerating the career path in a project management stream. You will think, what is the project management communication, or what is the language of project management, why I'm emphasizing on that? Okay, so when you'll see a project manager, or when you're interacting with the project manager, project managers will typically talk in terms of variance, earned value, fast tracking of the project, crashing of the project. All these are techniques and the terms which you will learn when you will do, or when you will study the certification kind of exams. Okay, and it really helps when you are interacting with the stakeholders, because your language of communication is common. Okay, you are able to set the tone which is required for your project with your team and with all your stakeholders. That is the key benefit. So first widely known exam in the project management is PMP. PMP offers regular PMI exam, PMP exam, and one is for agile. Also, another widely known or most popular is Prince 2, and the third is ITIL. I found ITIL more towards the service orientation, and since I'm into the project management, which are typically development kind of projects, hence I preferred the PMP examination. I was deliberating between whether I should do Prince 2 or PMP. Again, my customers are in US, hence I preferred giving PMP because that is more recognized. Prince 2 is more recognized in UK and in that region. Hence, my choice was PMP. So this is my background about why I choose this, and based on your customers you can decide which is the best suitable. But giving, as I said, giving an exam will help you understand the project management methodology in detail. You will understand the SDLCs in detail. You will understand the language of the project manager, in the language which project manager speaks with all the stakeholders, and it would really help you to succeed as a project manager. So with that quick note, I'm ending my session here. I hope it helped you. Okay, and I would request you to subscribe this, and also I'll request you to share with your friends so that it can help our other colleagues and help us grow the community. Thank you.